Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have a little bit of a different kind of video for you. A lot of people ask what kind of cameras I use to film, and we're going to go over that today. And I just got a new one, and it is actually the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I'm filming with it right now, but this is the box for it. It's in this cool Pacific blue color. But to be honest, I feel like the iPhone gives an excellent video picture, and I've been really happy with it, and I use it as my main camera. Now, of course, for in-car videos, reviews and stuff, I do use the Sony Action Cam, and it's very convenient, small, portable, has a great suction mount, and the video stabilization is great on it. I do use iPhone for point of view videos where the camera's facing out to the road to see where we're going, and that part I'm not thrilled about the iPhone with, so I'm hoping this new iPhone 12 Pro Max improves upon it. It has this new optical image stabilization on the main lens that is supposed to improve that, and today we're going to test that out. So what I do is I mount the iPhone with this RAM mount, suction mount on the windshield, and point it out. And like I said, sometimes I'm really not happy with how shaky the video gets, and I've been using my old iPhone XS for about 2 years now for that purpose. But for general shots, it's been excellent, and this should improve upon things, and you'll be seeing that in upcoming videos. So all right, let's compare the two. Let's hope there's a big improvement with this new iPhone. For those of you who have one, pretty cool video to see the capabilities of the new phones. All right guys, stay tuned, hope you enjoy it. All right guys, today we're in the 2020 Supra. I'm in sport mode with the harsher suspension, so we're gonna see how the camera does. Now I am using the XS right now, and I film in 1080, 60 frames a second for moving video, such as in-car point of view. The in-car video pointed towards me is the Sony Action Cam. A little bit of bumps on this road. Windy road. And we'll take the same route with the new iPhone 12 Pro Max and see how much better the video stabilization is. All right, a little more in the XS on this windy back road. Okay, I just mounted the iPhone 12 Pro Max, same RAM mount, and the phone is a lot larger and heavier than the XS, so it's going to be that much harder to hold stable, so we'll see how it does. Same 1080p, 60 frames a second quality. I'm not ready to move the 4K yet. I want to upgrade my computer, and also it's just such a much larger file size. I don't think it's necessary at this point. And for the most part, I film in just HD, 1080p, 30 frames a second for smoother shots. Just 60 frames for track use, or like I said, on-road point of view, where you get lots of fast motion. And just looking at it in car, it actually does look more stable. Let's hope it is when I go to edit this. Unfortunately, you're never getting the full quality on YouTube by the time they compress it and everything. Even if you're filming in 4K, you're not getting that full quality. And again, I'm in the 2020 Supra in sport mode with the sport suspension on. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Do you see a difference? And also tell me in the comments below what you guys use. If you use iPhones, do you use GoPros, do you use Sony action cams, and the type of mounts you use. It's always been a struggle to find a good in-car mount. But hopefully, this is going to give a significant improvement. The iPhone 12 Pro Max also has 3 cameras now. I have a wide angle, which is the normal. There's a telephoto, which I had already, and now there's an ultra wide. So if I'm up close and I need to get the full car or something, this should help with that. So I'm excited to use that as well. And let me know if you have any other questions. I do use a wind blocking mic that plugs right into the iPhone when I'm outdoors. And I edit on a Mac with iMovie. So pretty basic stuff. Pretty easy to work with. And using an iPhone just makes that even easier for transferring files, etc. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little bit different kind of video. Definitely give it a like if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.